Topic 4 of the first chapter of Principles of Marketing is Marketing Management Orientations. It's an important topic, and you need to understand an overall view of marketing management orientations. People do ask me in my classes that what exactly does this term mean? In simple words, it actually reflects the mindset of the CEO of an organization. There are different concepts, so there are different orientations. It starts from production concept, then there is a product concept, selling concept, marketing concept, and societal concept. I believe we are at the moment in the societal concept. Let's go one by one. In the production concept, the definition which Kotler provides is that it's the idea that consumers will favor products. You have to listen carefully. It's an idea that consumers will favor products that are available or highly affordable. So that's called a production concept. What does production means? That I am a CEO and I believe in this particular idea that if I make a product that is highly affordable and it is easily available, people are going to buy. So I'm going to make a big factory. I'm going to set the processes so robust that there are going to be maximum outputs of my product, and they're going to be easily available at every shop, and people are going to buy it. And I believe in this particular concept, and that is called a production concept, a production mindset. The second orientation of a CEO in an organization is that a product concept is the idea that consumers will favor products that offer the most quality, performance, and features. So here the difference between production and product is that maybe you don't have a big factory, maybe you don't have a big production facility, but you believe that if your product is of the highest quality and it provides very good performance and features, your customers are going to buy it. It doesn't matter what the customer needs are. It doesn't matter what do they want. You just believe in that the quality and the performance and the features of the product are so good. It has to be good, and people are going to mind. So you focus on what? You focus on continuous product improvement. Rather than focusing on consumer needs and wants, you focus on what? Continuous product improvements. Do you think this will lead to marketing myopia, which we have studied in one of the topics before? Do let me know in the comment section before. Now, selling concept is the third concept or third orientation of different CEOs in an organization. What exactly does this mean? It is the idea that consumers will not buy enough of the firm's product if or unless it undertakes a large-scale selling and promotion effort. So you spend a lot of money on selling, you spend a lot of money on advertising and promotion efforts because you believe that it doesn't matter if the product is good or not, doesn't matter if it's easily available or not, but if you have a good selling team and if you've spent a lot of money on promotional efforts, people are going to buy it. Do you agree with this concept? If you are a CEO, will you use product orientation? Will you use product orientation or production orientation, or will you use a selling concept or selling orientation? If you move from these three orientations, because we are talking about marketing management at the moment, and you focus on marketing concept or marketing orientation, I personally like it. It is the idea that achieving organizational goals depends on knowing the needs and wants of the target markets and delivering the desired satisfactions better than competitors do. So you do research, you find out what your target marketing or target markets want, and you deliver that desired product to them and they are satisfied as compared to your competitors. Again, Apple and Samsung, great example of competitors. Samsung is giving you a mobile phone which is very good. Apple is giving you another mobile phone. Again, they have target markets. They are providing a product of superior quality to their target market, and both of the companies are hoping that their customers are going to be satisfied, and that is called a marketing concept. Once we move from marketing concept, the latest or recent concepts these days in marketing literature is societal concept, in which you do all of that what has been done in marketing concept, but you also focus on the society, and that's why it's called societal concept or societal marketing concept. If I move on the next slide, this actually explains societal concepts in a much better way. So you've got a pyramid, you've got society at the top. There has to be a welfare, to the society. Again, an example of Apple would be very good. When they sell a product, they tell you that our product is recycled, so they are caring about society. You look at the consumers, you check what their want is, what the demand is, what their need is, and you try to satisfy that. And you also focus on the company. You focus on the profits of the organization. So Apple has all these three things. The customers are satisfied, the companies, they are making huge amount of money, and they're trying to satisfy, and they're trying to focus on the society also. So I have a question before I finish off this topic. Human welfare, want satisfaction, and profits are the three considerations underlying the concept known as what? Societal marketing, customer driven marketing, sales driven marketing, or production concept. In my view, it is societal marketing.